Hi, and welcome back to the 12 Weeks of Christmas video series. We are 1 week away from Christmas, which means I have given you 11 different suggestions on things that you can do with your photos this holiday season, from creating photo books to calendars to ornaments, all sorts of different things that usually require you to gather your photos and place an order. Well, with only 1 week to go, you probably won't be able to place an order like that. However, all is not lost. My suggestion for this week's gift using your photos is to book an experience. Now, how your photos come into play is that after you book that experience, you're going to create an invitation. And you're going to create it either in Word or Pages or Canva. And you're going to include a photo of you with the person you're gifting it to. And what you're going to say, or not say, you can always modify this, but something along the lines of, let's go make some more memories together. Because spending time with our friends, our family, our loved ones is truly the greatest gift of all. I think I had a clock as one of my suggestions. So you can still incorporate your photos and create something special and meaningful and sentimental for the people who are important to you in your life. So go find something fun that you can do with your loved ones and make that magic happen. And in the meantime, happy planning, happy shopping, happy baking, all the things that happen during this really busy holiday season. And Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Holidays, and here's to you creating something beautiful.